Welcome to my channel. What you just saw now is a clipping from the Heats ride, and the reason why I put this here is it was on this particular ride. The tires of my bike started showing the signs of getting worn out, and this is just as a remembrance of that event. And as you just saw in the video, I had a KTM Duke 2017 version, and this bike gets Metzeller Sportec M5 Interact tires as a stock option. And the average life of this tire is believed to be between 8 to 12,000 kilometers. However, I would say the usage of the bike or the mileage of the tire will be subjective to individual. The reason why I say this is it's around more than a year that I've owned this bike, and I've done around 10,200 kilometers on the road, and my tires have got worn out. And one of my friend Pradeep, he purchased the same bike. On the same day, we purchased it together, and he was able to extract around 14,000 odd kilometers on his bike. The only difference I see between both of us is in terms of usage. I've used my KTM predominantly on the highways, and Pradeep has used it on highways and city as well. I use my Charisma R for city commuting, and around 95% of whatever I've done on KTM is on the highways. So obviously when you are riding on the highways, you'll be doing higher speed for a longer period of time, and that's when the rubber gets heated up and it gets worn out quickly. So I've also seen a video where a person claims that he got around 24,000 kilometers on his stock tires. I'm pretty surprised. I'm amazed that the tire gave him that mileage, and it's highly impossible for these tires to last that long. So however, subjective to one's own driving style and where you drive, right? And if you have seen my Bangalore Ooty series, I did tell you that I'm not riding my KTM 390 for two reasons, and one of them being the tire condition, right? And back then I was confused between two options. I was considering Metzeller Sportec M5 Interact tires, that's the stock one, and Pirelli Diablo Rosso 2. However, I also had Michelin Street Pilot as an option, but Pradeep, my friend Pradeep, he went in for Michelin, and he did tell me that there was a difference in the quality of grip on the dry and wet surface. So I ruled out that because I ride only on the highway. I want to I want to have superior grip, and that's the reason why I ruled out Michelin. And I had these two options in mind, and I had not decided back then when I was doing Bangalore Ooty ride. And now I've made a decision, and I have the tire with me here. And I'll tell you which tire is it. Probably if you can't guess it from here, yeah. I'll tell you which tire is it. So the reason, the points that I had for comparison between these two tires were the quality of grip, the life of the tire, and the cost, right? And coming to the quality of grip, Metzeller's provide a superior quality of grip compared to Pirelli. I'm not telling Pirelli is bad, but I think Pirelli matches Metzeller by around 75 to 80% of the grip what Metzeller gives. We can extract that from Pirelli as well, right? And when it comes to the life of the tire, Metzellers have lesser life, and Pirelli might last a few thousand kilometers more than it. This is trade-off between the quality of grip and the life of the tire. So it again depends on what your priority is when you start choosing the tires. And for me, priority was grip, the quality of grip, and I was happy with the quality of grip that Pirelli gave. Right, I remember when I was doing the test drive of Mahindra Mojo, which came with the Pirelli tires. I was very happy with the kind of grip which Pirelli was giving. I could feel the stickiness in the tire while I was doing the test ride, and that's the reason why I had Pirelli, and I had almost gone with Pirelli. I had almost decided to go with Pirelli, but then the third point made me change my mind. When I started looking out for options to buy these tires, I found both these tires available on Amazon, and Pirelli was costing around Pirelli Diablo Rosso 2 was costing around 7,500 rupees, and Metzellers were available for around 5,500 rupees. So now Metzellers costs were around 9,000, and there was around 47 to 49% off on Amazon. I got it for 5,500 rupees, and that's the reason which made me shift from Pirelli to Metzellers. So I almost went to buying Pirelli, and since Metzellers were available for a lower cost, I came back to Metzellers. Money matters, And this is the tire that I have here. This is what I got from Amazon, and this is the stock tire of KTM Duke 90. It's Metzeller Sportec M5 Interact tire with 66 H rating for speed, and this tire has come all the way from Chandigarh to Bangalore. So before I remove this wrap, let me show you the current condition of my tires. So let's go have a look at that. Okay, so do you see here? You see that the grooves or you see here, the grooves here have got reduced, and you can see the mark here, the grooves here in line with the marking. Right, this is, if you see this is the indication that your tire have worn out, and it's time for you to change your tires. And I'll show you the place where the strings got exposed on my tires. Okay, you see the strings here? This is the condition of the tire right now. So this is in very bad state, and as you can see, the steel strings are getting exposed here, and this is a sign for me to change this tire immediately. Right? Yeah. So guys, that's the condition of my bike tire now. It's high time that I need to change my tires, and I've not done any long rides or any rides on my KTM for quite some time now, and I'm very eager to do that very soon. And I told you that I'll be unwrapping this tire now, but it's pretty neatly wrapped up, and it's easier for me to carry this tire to the service station. So what I'll do is I'll take this to a service station, and I'll unwrap it there, and I'll show it to you there. Right, and before I get this tire changed, as I told you, my friend Pradeep, he wanted to do a burnout of his tires before he got his tires changed. But then he suffered a lot of punctures in his tires, and unfortunately he couldn't get a chance to do a burnout, and he had to change his tire before he did any burnout. So I'll be trying out a burnout now on my bike, and I hope I'll be able to take the bike to the service station after I do the burnout, because my tire is already in a very bad condition. So I just hope it still remains in a condition where I can ride it to the service station to get this tire changed. So Pradeep, if you're watching this video, this burnout is for you, bro. One. guys, we wanted to do this burnout before I change my tires. So we were in Bangalore University to do this, and this is my friend Santosh.
Yeah.
He helped me with capturing the video of this burnout, and this guy owns a RC390. So we did the burnout. I think you saw the video, and I hope you liked it. And I want to show you something. You see this ring? This is what.
Circle of.
This is what.
KTM.
This is what I did while I was doing the burnout of the tire here. And I just want to show you how the tire looks after the burnout. Sweeping ಮಾಡೋದು. This is how the tire looks after the burnout. Yeah. See this? These rings were not exposed earlier. Only a part of it was exposed. Now after the burnout, the complete rings you can see here. So it's high time I go back to service station and get this tire changed. So I'll see you in the service station. Bye. So guys, finally I've got my tires changed. This is the new Metzeller's Sportec M5 Interact tires, and I've done some good running on the tires. I've done some good 40-30 kilometers of running. So these tires are now ride ready.